Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss what is first in the world. So let's start today's video. First person to reach Mount Everest. Answer: Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing in 1953. First religion of the world. Answer: Hinduism. First person to reach North Pole. Answer: Robert Peary in 1909. First person to reach South Pole. Answer: Amundsen in 1911. First President of USA. Answer: George Washington in 1789. First Prime Minister of Britain. Answer: Robert Walpole in 1721. First country to win Football World Cup. Answer: Uruguay in 1930. First President of USA. Answer: George Washington. First country to print book. Answer: China. First country to prepare constitution. Answer: USA in 1788. First country to issue paper currency. Answer: China. First person to land on moon. Answer: Neil Armstrong. First European to attack India. Answer: Alexander the Great. First European to reach China. Answer: Marco Polo. First country to launch artificial satellite in space. Answer: Russia in 1957. First city in which atom bomb was dropped. Answer: Hiroshima in Japan in 1945. First spacecraft to reach Mars. Answer: Viking 1 in 1976. First country to host the modern Olympics. Answer: Greece in 1896. First women Prime Minister of a country. Answer: Mrs. S. Banda Mike, which belongs to Sri Lanka in 1960. First man to fly in the space. Answer: Yuri Gagarin in 1961. First person to fly an aeroplane. Answer: Wright brothers in 1903. First shuttle to go to the space. Answer: Columbia. First country to issue stamps. Answer: Britain in 1840. First country to appoint Lokpal. Answer: Sweden. First spacecraft to carry man on moon. Answer: Apollo 11. First country to use glass. Answer: Egypt. First climate neutral country. Answer: Maldives 2020. First country to introduce internet voting. Answer: Estonia in 2001. First satellite in space. Answer: Sputnik 1 in 1957. First country to ban human cloning. Answer: Britain 2001. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.